Morning, YouTube. I'm Mike, as you can see, Appliance Repair Service. This is the first of many videos I'm gonna do, showing you guys, what I do, how I do it. There's a lot of videos on YouTube, but I'm just trying to add to the conversation. I've been doing this 13 years. It's with a company for about 11 years, and I've been doing my own thing for about almost 2.5. So this is my second van. I just got this van, so it's kind of bare. It's a minimum. But I see a lot of other guys on here showing good content, and just want to add to the conversation. So I'm gonna have videos upcoming on, repairs, how I started my business, how you can get into the business, COD versus warranty. Me personally, I do both COD and warranty. That's how you get the most. You shouldn't limit yourself to just not, doing one thing. When I was with the company for 11 years, they only did warranty, no COD. But we were doing warranty for retail, a lot of retail, Lowe's, Home Depot, a couple of Best Buy. I mean, we were doing pretty much all of that. The company I was working for started up in 1980, so yeah, they were GE. They were doing pretty much all the warranty you can do. So to me, in my personal opinion, when you're starting out warranty, it's a little easier to learn. You have more room for error than if you're going out here and charging the customer and then you don't fix it. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm gonna cover. My channel before was just a lot of random stuff, especially when I was working for another company. Like I said, I've been on my grind for a while now. Been on YouTube, watching a couple things, calls coming in. This is just how it goes. So I'll be back with other videos. I'll let you guys know how it's going. Got to get to this call. Thanks.